let's write like an example, like something like rand 1 e7 1, something like that. What this means? Okay, as I said, MATLAB, it's all derived from the same function. So rand came from random. So rand is just like a function that tells you, give me a random number between 1 million and 1. Or what e7? E7 is just 10 power 7. My bad, like, yeah, it's, yes, no, it's 10 power 7. It came from math, so it's the same thing. Like E7, it's 10 power 7. But instead of writing 10 power 7, I'm just writing E7. And this is how MATLAB do accept it. And also rand is random. Or like it's equivalent to random. So now I'm giving a function for MATLAB and telling MATLAB, okay, give me numbers between 1 million or 1 times 10 power 7 and 1. Give me numbers between this. So if now I press run, okay, I want you guys now like to observe this busy, and it will keep forever, because give me a random number between 1 million and 1, it might takes very, very long time. But what if I am on exam time and I do have 15 minutes left and I need like to stop this from working? What should I do? Okay, so I can just now I will press Ctrl+C. Okay, so Control 3, 2, 1. I will press C. 3, 2, 1. And here we go. Operation terminated by the user during the first video. And actually it got like located now in workspace and it's over. So this is goes long way in deep coding, and it just, if you want to take note of this, Ctrl+C to stop MATLAB from running without jams.